Hey guys, welcome back to a new video once again. Bless you all who are watching right now. The Walk for Peace transformed from a 2,300-mile physical trek into a global symbol of spiritual resilience. As the Saffron Road monks made their final approach toward the heart of the US government, journey which began in October 2025 at the Walk-Way Pass Central in Texas, concluded not just with miles covered but with hearts open. The day 109 served as the sacred completion of the walk. After 108 days, a number representing spiritual wholeness in Buddhist traditions, the final day was a celebration of global peace. The monks arrived at the Lincoln Memorial and Capitol Hill in Washington, D.C., creating a striking visual. Ancient tradition meeting the modern seat of power, thousands of Americans from all walks of life, Christians, Muslims, Hindus, and those of no faith, lined the streets of the capital to witness the moving meditation. The divine light on four paws, no figure in the procession, captured the public imagination quite like Aloka, the pious dog, a former stray from India. Aloka, whose name means divine light in Sanskrit, first joined the monks during a 112-day walk in India, and he refused to leave their side, eventually being brought to the US to continue the mission. During the trek, Aloka faced his own hardships, including a chronic leg injury that required surgery in January, dressed in his signature colorful sweaters and boots to protect him from the winter frost. Aloka became a symbol of loyalty and nonviolence. He showed the world that peace is not just a human endeavor, but a harmony that extends to all living beings. So this is something a scene of exchange of blessings. Like in this scene along the American highways were testament to the unity the monks sought to inspire. As the monks walked surrounded by all Americans came out in droves to participate in the traditional performance. Supporters stood in varieties from raising crowds, offering marigolds, roses, and baskets of fruits. They were not just gifts, they were act of generosity, where the giver and receiver are both blessed. Many knelt on the pavement as the monks passed, seeking a moment of silence or a quiet blessings. The monks, led by Venerable Monk Pannakara, responded with smiles and reminders to breathe and to be peace. In the deep south and through the mid-Atlantic, the walk bridged political and social divides. People who felt fractured by the chaos of the war found a common ground in the monks' steady rhythmic pace. The walk for peace was never a protest. It was a spiritual offering. By walking 2,300 miles across 9 states, the monks demonstrated that inner peace is the foundation. You cannot give what you do not have. Peace must bloom in the heart before it can exist in the world. The sacred stop at Washington National Gallery showed faith leadership standing together, proving that compassion transcends religious labels. Thank you for
Thank
watching the
you and have
video.
a
Please
blessed
do
day.
like and subscribe to my channel. I will update with you more videos and more photographs about this peaceful journey, and bless you all once again who all are watching right now. Please do like the video and share it as much as you can. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. I will update with you more videos and more photographs about this peaceful journey, and bless you all once again who are watching right now. Please do like the video and share it as much as you can. In an era defined by hustle culture and the constant ping of digital notification, inner peace can feel less like a state of mind and more like a mythical destination. We often treat peace as a reward we will earn after the to-do list is finished, the promotion is secured, or the house is quiet. The radical truth of the mindfulness is that inner peace is not a destination. It is a baseline. It is the silence that exists beneath the noise. To access it, we don't need to change our lives. We need to change our relationship with the present moment. The most effective bridge to this state is the breath. It is the only autonomic function we can consciously control, serving as a direct hack into our nervous system. So let's understand the mechanism of peace. Inner peace is often misunderstood as the absence of struggle. In reality, it is the ability to remain centered during the struggle. When we are stressed, our sympathetic nervous system triggers the fight or flight response. Cortisol levels spike, heart rate increases, and our breathing becomes shallow and rapid. This is a survival mechanism, but in the modern world, it is often triggered by non threatening events like an annoying email. By consciously slowing the breath, we stimulate the vagus nerve, which activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode. You are essentially sending a biological telegram to your brain saying, "We are safe." Peace requires a transition from reactivity to observation. Most of our most of us our suffering comes not from events themselves, but from the stories we tell ourselves about those events. Meditation teaches us to watch these stories pass by like clouds rather than getting swept away by the storm. So before moving into a long form meditation, it is helpful to master specific breathing techniques. I'll let you know about them. Till the time, you can stay connected with me, and please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and we will continue this journey further. I will tell you some good options for the breathing exercises and how to be calm. Thank you. Blessed day ahead. During the walk for peace, people are offering flowers, petals, and other gifts to the monks as a profound gesture of reverence, gratitude, and shared commitment to peace. This is like a mesmerizing moment for all of us because this is something that is new and different. Everyone wants peace, and that is necessary for our world as well. So these often spontaneous acts turn the journey into a living, interactive, and communal experience, symbolizing a collective heartfelt support for the monks' message of compassion. Like as we understand, the flower represents peace already growing within the community, acting as a testament to kindness blossoming in the world. Supporters often create a literally beautiful plot by scattering flowers, petals for the monks to walk on, symbolizing that peace comes in their wake. Offerings are not just gifts, they are a living exchange, as monks often pass flowers to others along the road, spreading a message of joy. Beyond flowers, supporters sometimes offer food, water, or other items, with many attendees also bowing over quiet respect. Acts of generosity help to lift the spirits of the monks who are often walking long distance in challenging weather conditions. These offerings have become a central part of the event, with participants viewing it is as a way to create shade or care and to encourage a more gentle world.